Happy morning to you all. Blue Stars Higher Secondary School welcomes you all to learn this exercise, non-verbal presentation. By attending this presentation, we will score 3 marks. It helps us to score 3 marks out of 90 marks. Non-verbal presentation: figures, graphs, pie charts, flow charts, pyramids, tables, histogram, and bar diagrams are self-explanatory. They fall under non-verbal presentations. This exercise aims to train the students in that skill. First of all, we are going to learn about the pie chart. What is pie chart? A pie chart is a type of graph that displays data in a circular graph. The pieces of the graph are proportional to the fraction of the whole in each category. In other words, each slice of the pie is relative to the size of that category in the group as a whole. So, this is the example for the pie chart. This depicts the count of orders by employee last name. So, each and every slice gives the proportion to the whole. Here you just see there, this orange color, this is depicts 14.8%. and then 5.2%. According to the percentage, the size will be vary. These are the other examples for the pie chart. One depicts European Parliament election 2004. Another one, it presents the NBA championships. This is a language pie chart. So, by seeing this pie chart, we can come to know the proportion of the languages: Latin, French, Germanic, Greek, other, unknown or from proper names. Next, we are going to learn about the bar diagram. What is a bar diagram? A bar diagram is a chart that plots data using the rectangular bars or columns called bins that represent the total amount of observations in the data for that category. They are commonly used in financial analysis for displaying data. A stock volume chart is a commonly used type of vertical bar graph. This bar diagram depicts the birthday of students by month, number of students, and then this is the month. This is also like the same, average SAT math score. These are all the examples for the bar diagram. Next, we are going to learn about the pyramid. A pyramid graph is a chart in the shape of a triangle or pyramid. These charts are best used when your data is organized in some kind of hierarchical way. The levels indicate some kind of progressive order, like more important to least important. These are all the examples for pyramid chart. Next, we are going to learn about the tables. A table chart is a means of arranging data in rows and columns. The use of tables is pervasive throughout all communication, research, and data analysis. Tables appear in print media, handwritten notes, computer software, architectural ornamentation, traffic signs, and many other places. Some of the examples for tabular column. Next, we are going to learn about the flow chart. Flow chart is a diagram of the sequence of movements or actions of people or things involved in a complex system or activity. A graphical representation of a computer program in relation to its sequence of functions as distinct from the data it processes. Some of the examples for the flow chart. Now we are going to see the textual exercise. Read and understand the data presented in the pie chart given below on factors affecting health, and write an article for your school magazine highlighting the fact that it's our lifestyle that determines how healthy we remain. Write your article in about 150 words. Give a suitable title too. So this is a pie chart given here, which consists of medical facilities 10%, environment 19%, genetics 20%, genetics 20%, lifestyle 10%, smoking, obesity, stress, diet and nutrition, blood pressure. Overall we will get 31%, 41%. Now this is answer for the given pie chart. Factors affecting health. The chart gives the factors that affect health. As per the chart, the lifestyle of the people contributes a lot to the health problems of the people. Smoking affects the health. Obesity and stress will also do their part in affecting the health. Another big problem is diet and nutrition. These days, people do not eat the right food. They are taken by the taste and they do not get healthy food. The fast food is a curse to our health. The blood pressure is another problem now. Many people suffer from high or low blood pressure due to wrong food and lack of exercise. Genetics also plays a vital role in health. Our environment is also not healthy for people to live in. Another one is the medical facilities given by our government. This is the flow chart. 2 teams of 7 players. Objective of the game: rider tags out, returns untagged, points for tagging, tagged player revived, rider holds breath, stop uttering kabaddi, rider is out. And then this is for third paragraph, pie chart given here. Chadugudu in South India, Kabaddi or Chedugudu in Andhra Pradesh, Kabaddi in Kerala and Telangana, Bavatik in Maldives, Kabaddi or Kabaddi in Punjab, Hututu in Western India, Hudodo in Eastern India. Now we are going to see the answer for this flowchart and pie chart. A contact sport usually involves a physical contact between players. Kabaddi is a game played between 2 teams of 7 players. A single player on offense is referred to as a rider. How does a rider score points for his team? The rider scores points by tagging out the defenders. He gets a point for each player tagged. When does a rider concede the point to the opponent team? The rider concedes a point to the opponent team when the opponent team stops him. Can a player be revived when he or she is out of the game? Explain. Yes, a player can be revived when he or she is out of the game. The player can be revived when his or her team scores a point. Kabaddi is called by different names in different parts of India. Do you know how Pallangudi is called in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala? Pallangudi is called as Aliguli Mani in Karnataka. Pallangudi is called as Vamana Kundalu in Andhra Pradesh. Pallangudi is called as Kulipara in Kerala. Now we are going to see the tabular column. Read the information in the table and answer the following questions. Earthquake in 2001 affected area Bhuj in Gujarat. Tsunami in 2004 affected area coastline Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Pondicherry. Floods in July 2005 in Maharashtra. Earthquake in 2008 affected area Kashmir. Floods in 2008 affected area North Bihar. Cyclone in 2008 affected area Tamil Nadu. Floods in 2009 affected area Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Cyclone in 2011 affected area Tamil Nadu and Kadalur. Flash floods affected in Uttarakhand in June 2013. Cyclone in October 2013 affected area coastline of Orissa and Jharkhand. Floods in December 2015 affected area Tamil Nadu or Chennai. Cyclone in December 2016 affected area Tamil Nadu and Chennai. What kinds of natural disasters have occurred before 2005? Earthquake and tsunami occurred before 2005. Name the disasters that are common in India. Floods and cyclones are common in India. Mention the states often affected by disasters. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh are often affected by disasters. List out the disasters that are common in North India. Earthquakes and floods are common in North India. Write 3 sentences on your inference about the data given. India is prone to natural calamities. Almost every 3 years, some part of India gets affected. Our government should be always ready to help people when they are affected by such natural calamities. Now, one other textual exercise. Study the pie chart carefully and answer the questions that follow. Percentage of people who speak each language as their first language. Mandarin 12.44%, Spanish 4.85%, English 4.83%, Arabic 3.25%, Hindi 2.68%, Bengali 2.66%, Portuguese 2.62%, Russian 2.12%, Japanese 1.80%, German 1.33%, and then Javanese 1.25%, other languages 60.17%. Now answer the following questions. Which language is spoken by most people? Most of the people speak Mandarin. What are the Indian languages that rank among the top 5 spoken languages? Hindi is the only language that ranks among the top 5 spoken languages. Which are the languages that are spoken by less than 3% of people? Hindi, Bengali, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, German, and Javanese are the languages that are spoken by less than 3% of people. With the help of the question and answers, draw your own conclusions from the pie chart. Then write a paragraph on the popular spoken languages. Generally, people are known by their mother tongue or the language which they speak. As per the pie chart, 12.44% of people speak Mandarin. Apart from this, most of the people speak English and Spanish. Only 2 Indian languages, Hindi and Bengali, find their place in this pie chart. Some of the languages are spoken by very few people when compared with other languages. For example, Japanese and German are spoken by 1.80% and 1.33% respectively. The languages which appear in the pie chart make for nearly 40% of the people. These are the additional exercises. Study the following table pertaining to hours spent by boys and girls on various activities on Sunday and write these 3 sentences interpreting the data given. Activities: reading, 2 boys and 5 girls. Playing activities, 3 boys and 1 girl. Watching TV, 1 boy, 1 girl. Chatting activity, 2 boys, 3 girls. Writing activity, 1 boys, 3 girls. On Sundays, girls spend more time on writing than boys. Boys are more interested in playing games than girls because they spend 3 hours per day. Both boys and girls spend only 1 hour on watching TV as they don't like to waste much of their time for recreation. Next one. The following are the data on amount of pollution and noise level during Deepavali in Tamil Nadu. Study the data and write the interpretation in about 50 words. The amount of pollution and noise level during Deepavali in Tamil Nadu has been increasing since 1980. In 1980, it was below 1,500, but steadily it has gone up to 2,500. It shows that people do not care about the ill effects of air pollution. The mass media should play a key role in creating awareness among the people about how they will be affected by the increasing level of air pollution and noise pollution. Next one, source of energy. In this pie chart, coal 28%, hydro 5%, nuclear 8%, oil 40%, gas 20%. The most valuable source of energy is oil. Conventional sources of energy like coal, oil and gas make up 88% of the total energy available. The second largest source of energy is coal. The developed countries should tap solar energy to satisfy the need for renewable energy. Wind energy can also be given priority during the seasonal time. Let's practice. Study the curve graph and answer the questions given below. Data given here, you have to do. Only dash peoples have scored 70%. So we have to do what it is. 70%, where it is, yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, which is the correct answer? 12. B is the correct answer. Most of the peoples have scored dash marks. Most of the peoples have scored 75 marks. So answer C. Then third one, dash peoples have obtained below 70%. Below 70%, how many people? You just count it. 2, 8, 10, yes, 18, 20. 20 peoples. Next, look at this tabular column. This is the timing given here. 6:30 to 9, 25 bus, 75 car, 65 lorry, 90 bike. 10 to 12, 30 bus, 20 car, 10 lorry, 30 bike. 13 to 15, 30, 75 bus, 70 car, 65 lorry, 90 bike. 18 to 20, 90 bus, 110 cars, 65 lorries, 80 bikes. 21 to 22, 30, 45 bus, 75 car, 65 lorry, 40 bike. Total number of vehicles passed between 6:32 and 9. So we have to add the number 25 plus 75 plus 65 plus 90. So 255. 245. So B is the answer. 90 plus 65, 155. Answer given here is wrong. That's why we have to write 255. Number of cars passed between 18 and 20. Number of cars 110. So A is the answer. State whether the following statement is true or false. The road was less frequented by buses between 10 and 12. No. 6:30 to 9 is the less frequented by buses, isn't it? So we have to give the answer false. Next, study the pie chart given and answer the questions that follow. Which are the two channels preferred by equal percentage of people? Which are the two channels preferred by equal percentage of people? 15% for sports TV and then 50% for Sun TV. So what are the two channels? Sports TV and Sun TV. Next question, which TV channel enjoys maximum viewership? So Pogo TV, it get 30%. That's why we want to write the answer Pogo TV, because it enjoys, what it is, Pogo TV enjoys maximum viewership. Then third question, which TV channel is preferred by children? Yes, doubtlessly Pogo channel. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, students.